John Van Leiden, New Zealand, Sotheby's International, Hokowhitu, Palmerston North. Now we're at number 30 St Albans Avenue. What a wonderful address, a cul-de-sac address close to the Hokowhitu Village, the Hokowhitu School and of course St James School. So a wonderful community. We'll come inside to get a feel for a home that's got atmosphere. Beautifully wooded home built in the 1950s, 3 bedrooms, a study, 2 living rooms, a large double garage and a gorgeous 786 square metre section. Let's have a little wander through, you'll love it. Well, how good was that? What a wonderful home. We've said the beautiful wood is a feature, and it really is. But I'm going to tell you that the beautiful trees and the setting and the safety for children and families in this cul-de-sac are a winner. Now, this family has been here for many years, raised a young family all the way through till their older years. Now, how good does that sound for anybody? Buyer inquiry levels from 800,000 upwards. That's the truth of the matter, and it's real value in a great location. So call Michelle myself. We'd love to hear from you.